everyone. We're going to talk a little bit about tight hip flexors and how that can affect your ability to find a pelvic neutral. So pelvic neutral basically is a position in that if you had a bowl of water, you want it to be settled here. You don't want the water tipping forward, and you don't want the water tipping backwards. So from the side, it would look like this. So either forward or backwards. You want that nice and neutral. So it's really hard sometimes to find that in a standing position, especially if you're someone that's had some back pain, back problems. It can be just almost impossible to find that. So what we're going to do is find something to hold on to, and we're going to put those hip flexors here on some slack. So that allows us to then find that position. So you're going to really rock forward, like you're pouring the water out. You're going to rock backwards, pouring out backwards, and then you're going to kind of find that center position. Once you have found that center position, you're going to stand up while holding it, and you'll probably feel like your glutes are really fired, which is good because that shows you where you should be in a normal standing position. So to really educate the body to keep that, I want you to hold that position, and then I just want you to do some walking, and that might be for just a couple of minutes. If you really want to, just go out on your daily stroll and try to keep that as much as you can. You may have to take some breaks and kind of reset and find it again. But the more that you can find that and keep that for a prolonged period of time, the quicker you're going to re-educate your body to find that great pelvic neutral.